Hello, my name is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you my nighttime skincare. These are the steps that I follow every single night. The first step is, as I mentioned in my last two videos, is to remove your makeup. And this step is super important because your skin needs to be able to breathe. And removing the makeup is essential to keep a healthy skin. And I like to use micellar water. So you have the Vichy micellar water and the Bioderma, which are my favorite to use. And why micellar water? These products have tiny products that help remove the oils and the makeup from your skin without removing your natural oils from your skin. So this product will not make your skin dry. It will just protect your skin and remove the makeup gently. So I always use this one. They say that you don't have to rinse. So this is a one-step cleanser, especially this one here. The Vichy one-step cleansing micellar solution. For me, you need to wash your face with another cleanser. These ones are good on the go, but if you want a complete clean skin, you need to double cleanse. So this is the first steps that I use to remove the makeup. After, I use the Vichy Hydrating and Cleansing Foaming Cream. I've been using this for almost 2 months and I really like it. It's very soft. It removes the dirt from your skin, but it doesn't make your skin look dry or feel dry. If you have a skin that is sensitive or more dry skin, this is something that you would like. But if you have more oily combination skin, probably you need something a little bit stronger. So every time that you buy a product for your skin care, you need to make sure you buy according to your skin type. If you have oily, normal, dehydrated, sensitive, acne prone, so you need to be very cautious about the products that you use. If you want to get the most out of those products, you need to buy the products that are according to your skin type. So for me, this is good. I have more normal skin, sometimes a little bit dehydrated. So this doesn't dry out my skin and I really like. And as I mentioned in my other video, every time that I use a makeup remover and I cleanse my face with water and a cleansing soap, I can see makeup running through the water. So that's why I don't trust only the makeup remover. I like to double cleanse to make sure I remove all the makeup from my skin so my skin can breathe, and that prevents breakouts and blackheads and all that stuff. Okay, so this is the second step. The third step is to use a toner. Toners are essential to make sure there's nothing left on your pores. They will remove the last residue of makeup and it will prevent your pores to get clogged, and just will make your skin look more even. When you buy toners, make sure that you don't buy anyone that has alcohol because they can dry out your skin. If you have more oily skin, it's okay to use an alcohol toner, but for normal combination and sensitive skin, stay away from alcohol toners. This one here is designed for sensitive skin and is very gentle. I never feel dryness or tenderness on my skin. It's very soft, and I like to use a toner before applying my foundation. Let's say that I want my foundation to last all day and my skin to look flawless throughout the day. I will use a toner. I will go ahead to prep my skin and after my foundation, and you will notice a big difference if you use a toner, because your skin will be super smooth and clean, and your makeup will look super flawless. And also, toners are great to prepare your skin to receive other treatments or hydration creams that you are going to apply on your skin. So this is something that is very important to use. Once my face is clean and toned, I like to use a night cream. In my first video, if you want to check it out, is about 12 products that you need to incorporate to your skin care routine. One of them was night creams. Night creams are designed to give your skin extra nutrition and hydration during the night, and are different from the day creams. Day creams tend to protect you from the elements, and the night creams are more hydrating and give you, usually they have more anti-aging and hydration, stuff like that. So it's also good to have a night cream. This one is from Vichy as well, and is the Aqualia thermal night cream. Super nice, and it really hydrates your skin. The only thing that I find that during on my forehead and around my face, my skin tends to get very dehydrated. So what I like to do is I use a face oil, and my favorite is the bio oil. I will just put it on top of my night cream around my forehead and around around my face, because that's the area where it tends to get very dehydrated. This will smooth out your skin. It will lock in the moisture that you already applied. So this is one step that I always do, applying oil on top of my night cream, because it helps keep the moisture on your skin. If you want to learn other uses for this product, check out my last video about my daytime skincare routine. After that, using an eye cream is important. This one is from Bioderma Sensibio Eye. Very gentle, very soft, and helps keep this area soft and smooth. If you notice that every time you do your eye makeup, or you apply concealer, that the concealer creases under your eye, that it looks dry, that you can see more wrinkles on your eyelids and under your brow, if you see those signs, that means that your skin is dehydrated. So using an eye cream will bring elasticity to your skin. It will smooth it out. These ones are good to use twice a day to make sure your skin is hydrated all the time. Another tip is, when you apply your eye cream, always use your ring finger and do soft touch. Just press down the product under your eye and under your brow. Never apply your eye cream on your eyelid, because your eyelid doesn't have any pores. So whatever product you put on top, let's say your shadows or other things, it will just crease. So just use the eye cream under your eye and under your brow bone to give that area the hydration it needs. Something that I've been doing lately is using a drying solution for acne. I started using a new brand, which I'm gonna make a video about it. and that skincare product just made my skin break out. So I've been using this product here. Is Mario Badescu Skincare. Is their drying solution, and this the way it works is you use a Q-tip, dip it into the bottom, so you have the product there, and after you apply it on the spots that you have, on the pimples that you have, it helps dry out your pimples, especially when they're small, when they're just starting to come out and you apply them, it will dry them very fast. And the only thing that I notice is when you get big pimples, like those ones that are underneath your skin that they are not out yet, those ones takes longer, I guess, because all the inflammation is inside their skin, so it takes longer. But so far I've been liking this product. It does help dry out the pimples, but it's not too drying on your skin. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't bother your skin. At first it just is a little minty, the smell, but it dries so fast, so you can just, I usually, what I do is I put it on after I do all my steps, and I just put it on before going to bed, and then I wake up the next day and it seems like nothing. So this is something that if you are having some breakouts, this is a quick and easy way to dry them out. And lastly, something that I also use is a lip balm. This one is from EOS, and this is just gives me a little bit more hydration. My lips are very normal. They're not dry, but sometimes they can get dry. So using something like this will help keep them moisturized all night and all day. I usually use it in the morning and at night, and I have one in my purse. So during the day I can just apply it on my lips and it will make my lips look shiny and nice. It has a nice glow to it and it smells nice. This one is cherry smell. It's very smooth and easy to apply and easy to carry everywhere. I hope you enjoy this video, and that I hope also that you can learn and feel motivated to take care of your skin, because the more you take care of your skin, the less makeup you need, and your skin will look more healthy and more flawless. If you like this video, give it a thumb up and follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Design Toronto, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos. Bye.